Kamusta mga kalakwatsyera? Ito na yung first stop natin, yung Lingung Pagoda. Lalagay ko na lang dito. Makorek ko na lang.
Let me take a picture for you.
That's okay. I'm just vlogging. Init, humid. Bali 14 kami, no? Puno yung host.
Okay, just two sides. Like that. Two sides like that. Okay, very nice. Let me check it. Okay, look here.
Mga kalakwatsyera, ayan, currently nandito tayo sa temple. Bali, ito yung temple sa loob. Mag-offer lang ng prayers, tapos kailangan lang tanggalin yung shoes. Tapos kung naka-short kasi, lalagyan kayo ng skirt. Free lang naman. Tsaka sila na yung maglalagay, no? Hintay ko na lang sila kasi picture taking. Ayan. Sabi kasi 3 pagodas daw yung pupuntahan today. Ayan. Ito yung gate, oh. Si temple nandun sa harapan. So, ayan. Ayun yung city view. Tapos ito si Lady Pagoda.
Wait here. That's not here.
Thank you. Si tour guide na yung nag-o-offer ng picture, no? Ganda. Kailan niyo mag-picture? Wow! Ang ganda dito, oh. Grabe. Inom lang akong tubig. Sobrang init. Parang may himatay sa init. Siguro mga 40 plus to. Hindi sa nagre-reklamo ako, sinasabi ko lang yung weather, no? Talaga mainit. Kahit nakalilim ka rito, siguro magpupuyod na ako ng buhok. Ito na si Lady Pagoda. Naglakad lang tayo, no, dire-diretso. Tapos ito yung view. City view with beach view. Ocean view. Pakita ko sa inyo, wait lang.
Look, stay here. Okay, libo here. Yes, it's okay. Look here. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very nice. You got that? It's okay.
Alam mga kalakotsera, so hindi na tayo sa second stop no, yung Marble Mountain. Pero nag-stop muna kami dito sa mga restroom.
А я зайду, ну, в этом.
Ano mga kalakotsera, ito nila tayo sa Marble Mountain. Pumila kami kasi sasakay kami ng elevator. Ayaw nila maglakad kasi nga 400 steps, di ba? So, kung gusto niyo mag-elevator, hindi siya kasama sa tour. Additional 15,000 dong siya. Gabayaran na lang natin mamaya. Pero okay na yun. Ayan. Ito sa taas. Nakapila kami dito. Yung mga kasama ko rin nakapila. Sa 15,000 each. Yan, tingnan natin kung makikita natin sa loob. Mataas daw to, no? 400 steps. Alam niyo naman din natin kaya maglakad ng kataas. Baka sa 100 pa lang gumulong na ako pababa. Hintayin natin. Mabilis lang naman yung elevator. Ayan. Tsaka may mga bilihan ng souvenir dun sa baba. Yung Buddha nga na nabili ko sa Japan, nandun siya. So tingnan natin kung magkakaroon siya ng kapatid dito. Tingnan natin kung makakabili tayo. Anyway, dun sa pinagstapan namin sa may restroom, bumili ako ng isang cake tsaka ng isang C2 kasi parang mababa na yung sugar natin. 45,000 dong. Tingnan natin kung makakain tayo ng matino mamaya. Siguro mga 7 floors siya. 7 floors. Tapos may ATM din dito. Ayun. Tamang-tama naghahanap ako kasi mauubusan na tayo ng dong.
Yeah?
Dito tayo sa taas ng Marble Mountain.
Okay. Now we go up, go down to sightseeing the pagoda, but we sightsee the cave first. Behind the pagoda is one cave. Okay, let's go. Follow me.
She's saying that.
Because so many people tell me that.
Really?
Yeah. They tell me I look like a girl.
Oh yeah.
Really?
But you are the girl anyway.
What?
You're pretending you're a boy, right?
You know, around here you can see a lot of the Hong Kong language.
Really?
There's 400 people know a lot of people, Chinese people from Guangzhou and Guangdong. They speak Hong Kong language.
看到只有一个而已。
一个而已。
那个
Yay!
Easier.
Yay!
We go to the cave for
我係咪好似
Because here the first pagoda, for a long time, maybe 300 years old, a lot of a monk died here, and they buried here. 1, 2, 3, 4 tomb. You see this tomb? It's a new tomb. It's the tomb of the monk who will build the.
I don't think they come up.
Hey, Oba, hello. Okay.
I don't think they come up.
I don't care about that.
Okay.
Okay. This cave is a windy cave.
Yeah.
Or the air cave. You see a lot of windy. See?
Yeah.
And around you, on the middle, marble.
Oh.
You see a lot of color.
Ah.
It's so very fancy. You get the marble very easy. It's only one bomb, boom. But you keep it very difficult. You know, before that, before here, we have 5 mountains, 5 big mountains. But like local people here, they get about 2 months for a long time. Right now, we just have only this mountain, biggest, and 4 mountains are very small. We cannot start in there. And you see, the first time we can go up this way. But in the Vietnam world.
Ano mga kalakotsera, ito na nakakit tayo dito tok ng Marble Mountain. So kung mag-elevator kayo, 300 steps lang yung may exempt, yung 100 kailangan mo akyatin. Yan. Medyo mainit na ngayon dito, no? So, ano. Yan. Drink a lot of water. To hydrate.
Either rubbish bin or toilet.
Marble na siya, yung sa taas. Yung mga white-white na yan.
They want some photograph.
So, rest kami ng 3 minutes pagbaba. Balikan ko
I
kayo.
have enough photo today.
Raul. Smoke a lot. So, how many packages?
We will skip it because inside there's a small cave. Don't have anything special. We go up enough. No, go up anymore. We go down. Okay. Really amazing. Okay, from here very slippery. When you go down, really focus slowly and be careful. You take a picture when you go to finish.
Okay.
Okay, take it this way. It's history, okay? Just playing around here, everybody. Right around here. Right around here. You know that he is the lofty Buddha.
Yeah.
He always smile.
Yeah.
You see this area? It's clear because more tourist people do that. And they let me lucky and a lot of money. Thank you so much. You know, I do that every day. I'm still poor. Maybe you do sometimes you can get it.
I rub myself. I can do this. You can rub myself. I can do this. No. No.
You can do that.
No. This is me at home.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, with beer.
Me too.
So that's why.
Take video.
I wait here every day.
That's why. That's why. Oh, that's what you wish for.
我知道 C 嘅牌係大海。人哋係助走前任落地獄，我點會撞到呢個？
Be careful. You don't like you maybe have the angel right now?
And don't first one drop. Try to
Okay.
touch my tummy.
One. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you. Wow.
It's not included.
So why are you traveling alone?
alone? My wife.
This paper can eat.
Yes. Like
So nice. You can.
it's the best seller here.
Kamusta mga kalakotsera? Wala, liwanag naman. Andito tayo ngayon sa Hoi An. Kakakain lang natin no, yung video ko kanina. So ayan, dito tayo sa Hoi An. Medyo maraming tao, no? Bali, 9 PM, pabalik kami sa doon sa restaurant na kinainan namin, yun yung meet up place para pabalik naman ng hotel. So ito yung ano, may pwede kang ka-picture dyan. Siguro ako ng souvenir. Mag-hi ka naman, love. Si ate, naging surveillance camera. Baka daw mawala ako eh. Hanap ako ng nabusog ako. Grabe, ang daming pagkain. Sobrang daming food. Kasama na siya dun sa ano sa activity. Hala, baka mawala ako. So, bebe. Saan tayo pupunta? Diretso na lang.
Housing, transportation, urban planner.
Yes. Parang namang di tayo solo kasi may naka-video call eh. Daming tao. Tsaka ang daming mga tailoring shop. Ang daming pailaw. Parang wala na mga souvenir dito. Alam, wala na doon. Tayo sa kabila. Basta makabalik ako dito sa center na to. Pinipicturean ko nga yung ano, yung lalagyan ng chopsticks kasi may tatak ng restaurant. Sabi nung kaharap ko, sabi niya, why are you taking a picture of that? Sabi niya, that's a trash? Sabi ko, I have to get the name of the restaurant so I can go back. Kasi sila rin, pinipicturean na rin nila. Sabi ko, you have to take a picture of that so that you won't get lost. You can get back here. Just pin it at the, Google Maps. So, wow, that's a nice idea. Paano ka makabalik? Di mo alam yung ano. Uy, baka muna ako. Bumili ako ang ganda. 35,000 daw. Okay, nandito tayo sa Park siguro to. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan, lalagay ko na lang. May mga bilihan dito na souvenir, ikaw. Ganda oh, siguro maganda to sa umaga. Ganda mag... Kamusta mga kalakotsera? Ito, kayo pa tayo naglalakad dito sa Hoi An, no? Meron ditong Lantern Cafe. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung ano meron. Pero hindi ako magkakape ha. Sinisikura na ako eh. Ayan. Dito lang yan. Sa kahabaan nung ano. Di ba pag diretso yung gano'n yung river ba? Yung mga nagbabangka ng lantern. Nagbabangka na ano, may hawak na lantern. So, ayan. Alayo ko na kasi eh. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo. May park eh, ayun eh. Tapos ito. Wow. Dito yun. Yung may photo, ano, ayun. Wait nga lang. So, yan. Puro lantern. Lantern Cafe. Grabing yuwit, no? Kumukulot yung buhok ko. Dami ano? Dami nagtutur. Baka dito sila magdi-dinner. Pero talagang ayoko na, tubig talaga yung hinahanap ko yun. Ay, may nakita akong tubig oh. Bote. Sorry ko si ate. Naalala mo ba? Pakanan ako, pakaliwa. Pumasok ako ng sa kanan. So dito ako pakaliwa. Okay. Saan tayo papunta ngayon? Daming bibili ko. Ay, poster oh. Ito lang pala ako makakabili. Parang